Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss question number 2 of General English paper 2020. Last day we did the first one. Do you remember? Isn't it? If you want to see it again, I will put into the description box. Right. Okay. Let's see the question number 2. Fill in each blank with the correct form of the verb given within brackets. 10 marks allocated for this job. Correct form of the verb. Before do this question, we have to know about what are the verb forms. Verb forms. There are lots of verb forms in modern standard English language. But today, I am going to talk with you most related theory about verb forms. For do this question. Okay, look at this verb form in English. There are three main parts of verb. We can separate three parts: present, past, and past participle. Present is am. It becomes into past tense was. Past participle been. Are, were, been. Work, worked, worked. Go, went, gone. Find, found, found. Keep, kept, kept. See, saw, seen. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Leave, left, left. Make, made, made. Right. Okay. Now let's we get the verb cook as an example for understand how to change a verb in different forms. Okay. Look at this. Mother cooks rice. There, mother is a singular noun. So we have to use the verb cook as cooks. Added is into the end of verb cook. Look at the second one. Mother cooked rice. There we want to tell about a past action. So we use the past form of the verb cook. What is the past form of the verb cook? Cooked. Yes, very good. How we make out the past form of the verb cook? Yes, added ed end of the verb. Mother cooked rice. Look at the third one. Mother has cooked rice. The final result of a past action is indicated in the sentence Mother has cooked rice. What is the final result of this sentence? Yes, rice. Do you understand? The meaning of this sentence is there is rice now. Therefore, it can be indicated as Mother has cooked rice. Okay, I think it's clear for you. As still I am talking to you, there are some verb forms in English language. I will explain you those things another video. Let's see the question paper. Question number 2 of General English paper 2020. We discuss. Fill in each blank with the correct form of the verb given within brackets. Jayanta is a management assistant in a government office in Rajagiriya. He blank within brackets work in the office from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What is the answer for first blank? Yes, works. Works. Why we take works as the answer? He is a singular noun. Therefore, verb, the verb work should be singular. Therefore, we use works. Okay, last Monday at 4 o'clock, he blank leave the office and got on a bus blank within bracket go home. What is the answer for second blank? Left. Okay, why we take left for the answer? Last Monday is past tense. Last Monday, past tense. Therefore, we take the past tense verb of leave. It is left the office and got on a bus. Blank within bracket go home. Infinitive verb of go. It's also go. Fourth one, blank within bracket find a vacant seat. He sat down behind the bus driver. What is the answer for fourth one? Found. Found. Found a vacant seat. He sat down behind the bus driver. Suddenly, the bus driver began to lean forward. His head was almost touching the floor. Jayanta jumped up and told the passenger sitting next to him, blank, within bracket, keep my bag, please. What is the answer for fifth blank? It's also infinitive form of the keep. It's also keep. Okay. I blank within bracket see what is happening. What is happening? What is the answer for sixth one? I see. See. It's also see. He shocked the driver and asked why what blank within bracket. What happened? Oh, what happened? That's okay. He shocked the driver and asked why what blank within bracket be the problem. Why? What is the problem? The B verb is related B verb is. What is the happening? No response. No response. Blank within bracket make by the driver. Why? No response. Were made by the driver. The answer is were made. Why we take were made? The reason is this sentence is simple past passive voice sentence. Therefore, we should take passive voice past tense verb. Were made. The bus was going fast and nobody was driving it. Jayanta had to stop the bus. He put his hands on the street steering wheel and his left foot on the brake. He drove the bus to the left side of the seat. Slowly. He stopped the bus. An ambulance, blank, within bracket, arrived and took the bus driver to the hospital. What is the answer for ninth one? arrived. The past tense verb of the arrived, added ed. All the passengers on the bus were okay. Jayanta is a management assistant, but one day, for a few minutes, he became a bus driver. If he blank within bracket not take his decision at the right time to stop the bus. What is the answer for final blank? Not take, had not take. The answer is had not take. Many passengers would have been injured that day. Okay, right. This is easy one now, isn't it? Okay, if you like my work, make sure to hit the big fat like button. Good luck.